Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of eBay. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about eBay app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. And subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.